Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video I'm tackling the everyday chores to get my house nice and tidy, ready for the day. So don't forget to leave today's video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel, and let's just jump straight into it.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you.
So I wanted to start off upstairs today, so I'm just going to make my bed and get it nicely put together. I love making my bed first thing in the morning. It just sets me up for the rest of the day and it helps me be so much more productive. So I'm just going to go ahead and tidy that up, and then also dust and hoover the bedroom today. I love to have a nice cozy bedroom, so I'm going to try and make it as cozy as possible. So once that was all done, next I just wanted to go in and give it a good hoover just to make it nice and cozy. I feel like giving everything a good hoover just makes it feel so much fresher, and it actually makes the room feel bigger to me. So I definitely like doing it in this small bedroom because it just makes it feel even brighter and more airy, and I just really love that. So I'm just going to whiz around, give it all a quick hoover, and then we can go into the laundry room and sort out all of the washing. So I don't have any washing to put in today, but I have got this little lot to sort out from yesterday. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold it up and also do the ironing. I do speed up the ironing a bit because if you've been here before, you know I am so slow at ironing, and it doesn't look like there was too much there, but honestly it took me forever. So I was really glad when I finally had this room nice and empty, ready for when I next need to do a wash load.
Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left getting drunk.
I was so glad when I finally had all of this done, and I actually remember ages ago, before I used to do any ironing, when I first started, I actually really enjoyed it, and I thought it would be something that relaxes me and calms me, and it didn't last long at all. I hate ironing now, it just takes so long, but I'm really glad that it's done and the room's nice and tidy for the next wash load. And as you can see, I've now headed downstairs and I just need to tackle the kitchen, so I'm just going to go around putting everything away, getting rid of all of the rubbish, and then doing the washing up, getting that all dried up, and just get the kitchen ready for the day.
It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
So I can't actually believe how many of us are here now. I am so grateful to every single one of you who has subscribed and just supported my channel, because it means the absolute world, and I just wanted to say a huge thank you and just know that it doesn't go unnoticed, and I am so grateful to have you here. I have noticed that there's been a fair few new people lately, so I'm so grateful for your support. Do go ahead and follow me over on Instagram as well if you do want to see a bit more of behind the scenes and just what I'm up to when I'm not here on YouTube. I'll have that link down in the description below. But yeah, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who is supporting my channel, because it definitely means the absolute world to me, and not a single one of you goes unnoticed.
Maybe you could be my salvation out here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Juliet, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop.
So once I'd wiped down the sides and everything was nice and clean, I'm just going to go ahead and put the washing up away so I can go in and clean the sink. And I do this pretty much every day, so it doesn't need a deep clean today. So I'm just going to go back in with my flash spray, the same spray that I used to do the sides, over the sink, just to make sure it's nice and disinfected. But then I also do go in with my white vinegar spray. That's just a staple now. I do that every single time I do the sink, just to give it an extra shine and just to buff it up that little bit more.
Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could get me and you. Let's just sleep beneath the big blue moon. Yeah. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could be like me and you. Let's just stay beneath the big blue moon. Yeah. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Juliet, baby, you are.
So it was now time to head through into the living room, and as you can see, I just need to tidy it up. It's not really too bad today. Everything just needs neatening up and putting back where it belongs. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold up all of the blankets, sort out the cushions, and then go in and give it a good hoover.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute.
I just wanted to show you a quick before of our hallway because sometimes it's really hard to pick up how dirty it actually gets on camera, but since we've been doing more walking lately, this lockdown has definitely been the hardest one for us so far, so we're trying to stay as active as possible and just going on long walks. But of course it's the winter, so we're traipsing mud throughout the house when we get back in, so I just need to go in and give that a good clean. I do go back over it with the carpet cleaner as well, but I didn't film that just because it was so awkward to get the right angle, but it came up a treat, so I don't have to worry now if mud gets traipsed throughout the house. I know that that Vanish carpet cleaner will just get rid of it. So now I'm just going to go around the rest of the downstairs and just give it a nice hoover, make it nice and fresh. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if it has, and also consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Whoa.